Today, we're starting some fun new art projects with the help of our transparent 90-degree angle rulers. They come shipped to your door in a pack of 4 individually wrapped rulers. These are great for any crafts that you might need where you need to see what's going on the other side of your ruler. Whether that be sewing, woodworking, or even painting, the clear design is helpful and helps you line up perfectly. It has inches on one side and centimeters on the other. Then, on the other end, there's a little hole that you can use to hang them up and organize them out of the way. These angle rulers are going to come in handy for so many projects, but first, I have an art project in mind. Last week, I made a piece drawing multiple straight lines, and today I want to do the same, but with 90-degree angles. I think it'll make a cool design. So I grabbed my paint markers, a canvas, and my angle rulers. Then, I used the rulers to line up and paint perfect 90-degree angles. Over time, it really started to take shape and start to look cool. As more colors were laid out on the canvas, the stacked colors really give a unique design. And then, after I made progress on the other two sides, the consecutive lines at the 90-degree angles started to look like the tops of pyramids, and has given me lots of ideas for a bigger piece. I imagined several of these side by side and making a cool and unique piece. So many ideas come to mind, and I have 4 rulers to help me through all the different projects. So whether it be sewing, painting, or anything else, these angle rulers might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go plan my next painting. See ya!